Subramaniam Swamy speaking.
I will win this case during the year of 2016. Miss Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, all will be sentenced to a prison terms. That I am sure, because this is an open shut case, it's based on documents, it's not based on witnesses.
Mr. Swamy, Congress is still trying political vendetta. There are all the big leaders of Congress who have gathered at AICC office.
Sure.
Workers are also there.
Sure.
So in a way they are trying to show their strength.
Now, you see, the issue is that this vendetta question was raised before the trial court judge, Ms. Manocha. It was raised before Justice Sunil Gaur. Both have dismissed it. Supreme Court in previous judgments, also in the Bhajanlal case of 1992, they dismissed it. They say that each time, maybe there is a vendetta, but the fact is we have to look at the data, the facts, and so on. If the facts are strong, it doesn't matter whether a person has brought it to the notice of the police authorities because of a vendetta.
Mr. Swamy, were you also briefing the senior leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, because this is what another allegation of Congress?
Well, I have so many friends. I'm an old Jansanghi. I started my career in Jansang. All these people, many of them, when I was youth president, they used to be my general secretaries, like Venkaiah Naidu was my state president of Andhra. I know them all personally, and we run into each other all the time. They will ask me, what is, what's going on in this, where will it go, have you got enough material, that sort of thing. That is, if you call that uprising, I have not taken an appointment with the Prime Minister and gone and spoken to him at all. In fact, I have never spoken to the Prime Minister verbally in his office on this question.
Mr. Swamy, what next?
No, I will lead evidence in February, and I wanted to do it right away, but they said, no, please give us till February. Then I said to Sybil, if you say please, I will agree to a adjournment. So he said, please have it on February 20th. I said, okay.
Mr. Swamy, many of us were not there inside the court
room.
What exactly happened?
My wife, who's also a lawyer, who's also my teacher in law, and then my two, people who have been connected, Ishkaran Bandari and Yatinder Chowdhury, who are standing at the back. They were there, and then there was Dilip Kumar, who practices in the Patala court. We three were there. They three were there. My wife was there. I was there. We were sitting. First came Ahmed Patel. He exchanged greetings and went and took the back row. And then after some time, the lawyers came. Of course, they are all very friendly. I know them from a long time. And then, of course, Mrs. Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, they trooped in. And they were put in a corner where the accused are supposed to stand. They were not allowed to sit. Except Motilal Vora, who's I think 88 or 87 or 88, he was allowed to sit on seeking permission to sit. So the court then said, I thought they will say they will not take bail, but which is what they have been announcing, but they produced a ready-made bail application and they put it before the judge, and then the judge said, okay, who's going to stand surety? So it turned out for Sonia Gandhi it was A.K. Antony, and for Rahul Gandhi it was Priyanka Gandhi, and five, each of them. I don't think Manmohan Singh was asked to be a surety for anybody. Maybe they are not sure of him. But the fact is that they never protested, saying, no, we want. At one stage they made a passing remark about exemption. The judge said, no, we'll see at the next hearing, you'll no exemption. So the exemption part was not accepted. Then he asked me, you have anything? I said, yes. These people have a habit of disappearing, and sometimes they disappear for 57 days without notice, and trial will get delayed. So therefore, they should seek your permission before going abroad. Then he said, well, they are held very responsible position, and at this stage I cannot think that they will leave just like that to disrupt our court. So I will not accept that. That means that in future if they do that, they leave when the court is going to meet and they are supposed to be here, then I can again raise it. So I was quite satisfied with the way everything went. Then there was a question of date when I will start the evidence, and then there will be cross-examination and all that. So in that, you see, I think the issue of when that would be held, they wanted some documents. I said I'll give it to them in 1 week, the complaint copy, etc., which they already have from the Delhi High Court. But still, there's a technicality, so they wanted an extra copy. So I agreed to that, and I wanted the date in January. They said no February, then it was said 13th, then Sybil said no, please make it 20th. I said I won't agree. The judge was also on my side on this. But then I told, he said please, so I said if you say please, I will agree, and I agree. हिंदी में देखिए आज सारे जो अब क्या कहते हैं अपराधी या आरोपी या मुलजिम उर्दू है नहीं anyway, तो मैं आरोपी कहूँगा। आरोपी आज सारे उपस्थित रहे, सिर्फ ये पित्रोदा नहीं आए थे। तो पित्रोदा के लिए मैंने कहा कि वारंट जारी करनी चाहिए। तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि अगले हियरिंग में नहीं आएंगे, तो फिर आप उस समय ये प्रेयर कर सकते हैं। तो नॉर्मली ऐसे ही होता है कि एक और चांस दिया जाता है। उन्होंने अपना सर्टिफिकेट दिया कि कान में कोई तकलीफ है तो वो विदेश नहीं जा सकते। तो फिर उसके बाद सवाल आया कि उन्होंने सीधा कहा जज ने कि बेल एप्लीकेशंस आपने तैयार किया? उन्होंने कहा हाँ तैयार किया। मैं तो सोच रहा था उसमें बहस होगी और बिल्कुल चुपचाप उन्होंने बेल फिर कहा कि कौन श्योरिटी देगा, माने बॉन्ड, जिसको कहते हैं बॉन्ड नहीं मानेंगे, पर्सनल बेसिस में लेंगे, वो भी नहीं हुआ। फिर 50,000 रुपए के लिए बॉन्ड इसने दिया सोनिया गांधी के लिए एंटनी, फिर प्रियंका गांधी ने राहुल को दिया। ऐसे एक एक का था, तो इन सब ने